Okay, today we're making a chicken feeder using a 50-gallon drum and a 5-gallon water jug. Let's see how we do it. Step 1, water jug. Okay? What we did is we cut the top off. Alright? That's step 1. Now all I used to cut it off is actually a pocket knife and some scissors. Now, I cut it off and I ended up having to cut a little bit more off. This was on the top half. Alright? And this is going to sit right down in the top of it, like so. Okay? And that's going to be our taper to cut down on how much feed goes into the bottom. Danny is cutting out a board. We drew a ring around the container, okay, and he's going to cut out the board so that that will work for our seal. All right, and we'll show you what the seal's for once it's done, okay. And we're cutting the hole out. All right, we're not going to use the hole. We're going to use the outside. Okay, so that's what he's working on. And my next step is I'm going to drill some holes for the chickens to get feed. So he's going to start cutting. Okay, that is as big as a hole I'm going to make. All I want is the chicken's head to fit in it. That is it. You just gotta do more than one. Other way. Okay, so yeah. I think that's going to be too high. We're going to have to modify that. But we can go ahead and put this part. So screws, drill, and yeah, as many of them as you can get around. Will, you want to come over? You want to pass some screws? I'm going to do 3. Yeah, that's good. Here we go. Okay. Next step, guys, while he's doing that, which he's already done, cut your lid off the drum. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you what we got planned here. Let's see. There's a hole here. It did not fit perfectly when we screwed it in. It is not. Oh.
Get it!
So what we're going to do is we're going to take a piece of plastic and we're going to staple it down.
Don't lie to me!
And we're going to put a hole in the middle. And we're going to stretch this plastic down. Now, this is going to be a temporary fix. Okay? But it will at least let us know if this is worthwhile. And this temporary fix, it could work better than I think, and it could be a more permanent fix. I don't know, we'll see. But it's just a piece of plastic, so that's what I'm going to try. Because I think our idea is going to work out pretty good for the feeder. So I'm willing to do a little bit of experimenting on this.
There you have it, guys, our automatic chicken feeder, and we put all the feed into the big barrel part and it filters down the pipe into the smaller water jug, and of course as they eat it down, more feed drops down. So they seem really tickled with it. Overall, it's a success. We're happy with it and the chickens look happy with it. If you got any questions or anything you'd like to know about this feeder, just drop us a message in the comments below. Alright guys, we'll see you next time. Don't forget to hit that bell, like, share, subscribe, and have a great day.